Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can change your Facebook reel thumbnail. So for that,
लोगों से
just
ताल्लुकात
open
हैं।
your
शेख
Facebook
हसीना वालिद को
account.
महफूज
When you open your account, just click on create reel and select any reel. Just simply click on next. Now here, describe your reel, what you are saying. Just write something here. So after writing something, just simply click on share now because you will not find any option to change your thumbnail here. After posting, you will have an option to change your real thumbnail. So first of all, just simply click on share now. Now after when your reel has been uploaded, now simply go to your profile, go to your reel, and here you will find your reel that you have posted now. So now simply click on your reel, click on this three dots and simply click on edit reel. Now here you can see at the reel thumbnail you have an option to change your reel thumbnail. So just simply click on thumbnail. Now here you can choose different thumbnail. You can choose different thumbnail from your reel, or you can simply click on add from gallery and you can select any picture from thumbnail from gallery. So after selecting any thumbnail, just simply click on save. Just simply click on save, and in this way you can change your thumbnail reel.